Everyone, welcome to our channel Learn with MJ. Today we are discussing the important topic, the nature of sociology. The main characteristics or the nature of sociology are enlisted by Robert Burstead in his book The Social Order. First point, sociology is an independent science. Sociology has now emerged into an independent science. As an independent science, it has its own field of study, boundary, and methods. It is not fully dependent on other discipline. It is not treated and studied as a branch of any other science like philosophy or political philosophy or history. It is said that sociology is an independent science and it is not fully dependent on other discipline, and it is not treated or studied as branch of any other science like history or philosophy or political philosophy like that. Next important feature is it is a social science and it is not a physical science. As a social science, sociology concentrates the attention on man, his social behavior, social activities, and social life. Social sciences focus on various aspects of human society, while the physical sciences deal with natural phenomena. The sociology is a social science as it deals with man and his social activities. So the social science, it is concentrating on the attention of man and man's social behavior, her social activities, along with her social life. The fact that sociology deals with the social universe, it distinguishes from astronomy, physics, chemistry, geology, mathematics, and other physical sciences. Third point, sociology is a pure science and not an applied science. The aim of pure science is acquisition of knowledge and does not care about its usefulness. The aim of applied science is acquisition of knowledge as well as put them in use. So each pure science may have its own applied field. For example, physics, it is a pure science and engineering is its applied field. Sociology as a pure science has its applied field such as administration, diplomacy, social work, etc. Fourth point, relatively an abstract science, not a concrete science. Sociology is not interested in concrete only. It involves demonstrations of human events. It studies the society in an abstract way, that is theoretical and not physical. It is more concerned with the form of human events and their patterns. Sociology is not interested in particular families, but family as a social institution that exists in all societies. Concrete means absolute. For example, sociology is not concerned with particular wars and revolutions, but with war and revolution in general as a social phenomena, as a type of social conflict. So relatively it is an abstract science and it is not a concrete science. Sociology is a generalizing science and it is not a particularizing science. Sociology tries to find out the general laws of principle about human interaction and association and about the nature, form, content and structure of human groups and societies. It does not study each and every aspect. It does not study each and every event that takes place in society, and it is not possible also to study like this. Sociology is not interested in particular events rather than it studies events in a general way. This is the most important point. Sociology is not interested in particular events, rather it studies events in a general way. Example, history study French Revolution, but sociology will be interested in revolution in general. Next, it is a general science and not special science. That means like economics or politics, sociology does not focus on only one aspect of human activity. As it has to deal with the society, it includes all the aspects of human life in a general way. Both rational and empirical science. Sociology studies the social phenomena in scientific way. Rationalism stresses reason and these result from logical inference. Then empiricism is emphasizing experience and the fact that result from observation and experimentation. So in sociological inquiry, both these are significant. So sociology is said to be both rational and an empirical science. Categorical or value-free and not a normative science. Sociology confines itself to statements about what it is, not what should be or ought to be. So it confines itself to the statement about what it is. But it does not mean that sociological knowledge is useless and serves no purpose. It only means that sociology as a discipline cannot deal with problems of good and evil, right and wrong, moral and immoral. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.